In this video, I'll show you what ChatGPT is, and I will take you through the very basic things to know about ChatGPT so that you can start working on it and using it right after this video. And just to let you know, it is a completely free tool that you can use, and it's an AI that you can chat with for answers, help, and ideas. And it's completely free, as I mentioned, so there's no sign up required, there's no login, and no credit card required. So we'll take you into the actual screen here. So you have cookies over here. You can choose to accept them, reject anything that's not essential. So in this case, I'll just reject anything that's non-essential and accept any cookies that are essential. And you'll be greeted here with a text box, which is this one right here. So it asks you what you can help with. So you can type anything that you want. You can attach pictures. You can create images as you want, and you can even use your voice to ask any questions. So just to do a quick prompt and show you what it is, you can ask anything such as what is ChatGPT, and if you hit enter, then it will give you information as to what ChatGPT is. Now, this is more so a conversation type environment, so you can even add on to this or ask it questions based off what it just gave you. So, for example, I won't go through that yet, but if you want to see some other simple prompt examples, you can do something like this. Explain photosynthesis in very simple words. So if I hit enter, it's going to give you some information. So photosynthesis is how plants make their own food. The three main topics that they say is that plants take in sunlight from the sun, they can use water from the soil, and they take in carbon dioxide from the air. And this is kind of cool because you can use that type of prompt to give you explain like 5 type answers in case you want to learn a new subject in the shortest amount of time. And not only does it tell you how to or explain things to you in this sense, it can also do changes for you. For example, I can ask it to fix my grammar. So I can, if I'm writing an essay, for example, and I just want a quick grammar check, sometimes I don't have the time to do so, you can ask ChatGPT to do that. So in this case, I put in a prompt, fix my grammar, I has a problem, and it tells me what is the problem. Have is the issue. You can also have it do some work for you. Say you work in an office and you want to write a professional email asking for a day off. You can have ChatGPT do that for you. So you don't have to think of what to say. You can have ChatGPT draft an email for you, and then you can edit it as you wish. So here we go. It gives you the subject. It gives you the full contact, the name. It gives you all of the body, and it's just that simple. It tells you everything, and depending on what you don't like, you can change. And that is really the simplest prompt examples that you can do. And there's so much more that you can do because ChatGPT is a very powerful step that you can do to elevate your workflow processes. So really, it's that simple. Now I'm going to go back to the photosynthesis prompt, and I'm going to go to some follow-up prompts to show you what you can do. So, oh yeah, by the way, so if you see this, it's going to say sign up or log in. In this case, I'm going to sign out, stay signed out, and the reason why you want to sign in is because it takes your history of your chats. So if you need to go back to anything and continue on a conversation, that's something that you can do. So I'm going to stay logged out, for example. So here, with that photosynthesis prompt, something that you can do is you can follow up on this. So based off this information, you can say, that's good. It's very simple, but I want it more simple. So now it's going to so now you can see it's a shorter prompt and it gives us less words. So it's much easier to understand. You can say, give me an example. And it's going to know exactly that in this context, we're asking for an example for photosynthesis. So if you hit enter, it is going to say a sunflower as the example. And likewise, if we want it even shorter, we can request for that. Please paste the text you want shortened. So it's going to ask me for more information. So that's fine. I'll paste this. Sunflower uses sunlight, water. There you go. And that's as short as it can get. One quick thing to note is that whatever it lets us know, whatever it tells us over here, we can even copy that prompt, paste it anywhere. So if you want to copy and paste it, send it to a friend or something like that, that is good too. So just to let you know that this is just the free version, and the limitations is that it's using an older, not more advanced language learning model. So it may not be as accurate all the time. It can be slower at some points as well. And you just want to make sure that you're double checking all your information. Use it as a tool, not as a complete source, if you know what I mean. And if you want really good answers, you want to be specific with your questions. So specific answers, you have to ask for specific questions. And remember, this is just an AI. You can't say please or thank you or anything like that, but they really don't deem anything for you. But if you want to thank the AI, you can go ahead and thank it. And that's it. That's basically it. So if you need to do any modifications to your emails, if you want to do some fact checking, ChatGPT is here. It's free, and all you have to do is just access that chatgpt.com. And if you find that helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos like this in the future. So yeah, thanks.